Hi friends. Today we are preparing Kerala's own dessert atta Pradhaman from scratch. Usually Keralites make it on special occasion, but it's made on store-bought Ada. But today we will show you how to make Ada at home. Maybe some of you already know payasam. It's also a dessert which is served after the big feast. The cooking method for both are same, we will discuss it later. See, this is the Ada. We are making this Pradhaman with this. Look, it's flakes. You can break it with finger. We have to cook it before making Pradhaman. And we will show you how to make this. It's brown color because the rice we used was brown raw rice or unak kalari. If you make it with white rice, the Ada will be white color, just like we bought from store. So let's start. First of all, we take 1½ cup of rice. As said earlier, we are using brown raw rice. It's because of it have a unique taste and flavor. We will soak it for at least 2 hours. At that time we can prepare some things. Yes, the coconut strips. In traditional way, we don't use cashew nuts or raisins for topping, but fry these coconut strips in ghee and add it to the Pradhaman. Next we have to collect some banana leaves. Don't need big pieces, little bigger than your palm size is enough. We need grated coconut. 6 cup grated coconut is required. Yes, it's little time consuming, but coconut milk is the secret of this special payasam. So just prepare coconut. Okay, I think the 2 hours are over. Now we will drain water and in a mixer grinder we will make fine powder. You can sieve it to ensure that it's fine powder. Next we will add enough water and mix well and prepare a loose batter. Dosa batter consistency is required. Next we will add ghee. If they have shortage you can use oil, but adding oil will give you an additional job. So we prefer ghee. Next we will prepare banana leaf. Just move it over flame to make it flexible. It's called wattle. Just milliseconds needed for this. Else the banana leaf will break easily. Most of the Keralites may have that nostalgic memories of lunch packed in banana leaf. Anyway, we have to boil some water. Use a bigger bowl with some more water. Now pour the rice batter over banana leaf and roll it and secure both ends with a thread or pieces of banana leaf. No need to tight it. Just enough to not open easily. Use the batter fully and prepare these leaf rolls. Dip these rolls into boiling water. Let it be cooked for minimum 20 minutes. This is how we make Ada traditionally. Now we will make coconut milk. We need 3 types of coconut milk. The thick one, also named as Onnam Palo, first milk, and the lighter version one is called Rendam Palo, second milk, and the thinnest version called Moonam Palo, third milk. These are classified depended on its consistency. To extract milk from grated coconut, add hot water and grind it in a mixer grinder and squeeze out the milk. You will get the thick version. Add some more water and repeat the process repeat the process once more. We need 1 cup first milk, 2 cups second milk and 3 cup third milk. We will add some cardamom powder with the first milk. After 20 minutes we will remove leaf rolls from water and open each rolls and transfer adds to cold water. Not iced water but on room temperature. Wash it 3 or more times to remove the oil smell. This was the extra duty. If you have used ghee you could skip this step. Break these adds to small pieces. You remember the adas we have showed you earlier? That was the dehydrated version of this. You can either use a dehydrator or sun-dry them and keep it in an airtight container. When we need to prepare, just cook it in hot water and it's ready for Pradhaman. Oh, I forgot to tell, why this is called Pradhaman instead of paisam. If we cook it once it's paisam, such as vermicelli paisam, dal paisam etc. But if we cooked it twice, it's Pradhaman. We have cooked it twice. Hope you understand it. So the preparation process is done. Now we will start to make Pradhaman by melting jaggery with some water. We took almost 200 grams of jaggery. Marayur jaggery is preferred because it's black color and sweetest one. So melt it well, strain it for impurities and heat it again. When it start to boil, add adas we have prepared. Mix well. Add 2-3 teaspoons of ghee. We will cook it till the contents become almost half in volume and will be little thick. It's time to add coconut milk. Add the third milk and combine well. Stir continuously. Again, when the volume of the contents become each almost halt, add ghee and mix well. Add second milk. Don't forget to stir continuously. Finally, we will add the first milk. After adding the first milk, we do not cook it further. Flame off and mix well. Finally, we will fry coconut stripes in ghee and add it to Pradhaman as topping. That's it. Our atta Pradhaman is ready. In traditional Kerala feast, Pradhaman is served at end, as a dessert. Usually we just pour it over the banana leaf, crack some papadum and use it as a topping. Eat it with hand. If you are not familiar with banana leaf, hand combination, you can drink it in a glass. So hope you love this video. If so, press like button and share it with your friends and relatives. If you are watching our videos for the first time, please subscribe the channel. We are the people, so try to preserve local recipes and share it for next generation. So each of yours like and support valuable for us. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, take care.